How about the 19th?
But I thought Mr. Rakestraw had intake.
I have intake on the 19th.
Oh.
Can we do 8:30 on the?
Do we have any transportation issues?
Well, I guess that was a conversation I was going to have as to whether or not, I presume at that point, Mr. Brooks is likely to be at Dodge.
That makes most sense. But he does want to physically be here in the courtroom for all hearings.
Okay, then let's pick a different date.
I imagine, just as we're having that conversation, I imagine that as he would now be in the prison system, he would fall under the normal prison transportation rules. So I don't think they have an issue getting him here. I don't believe.
What about the afternoon of January 26th?
I am gone that week teaching.
All right, I'm sorry.
This week, for a whole week.
How about the 2nd or 3rd of February? 2nd's better for me, but
I can do the 2nd anytime before 10:30 and anytime after 11:30 or 12.
Fine by me.
I guess Judge Havas may have a Zoom week that I don't know exactly.
Well, but if it's just for scheduling, I guess if Mr. Brooks is produced in person here, we can communicate with Judge Havas's clerk if we need to set those dates.
That'd be fine. I mean, and she could always appear here too in this courtroom just for that hearing too, if that's necessary, obviously.
All right.
So if she's okay with that, I'm okay with that.
So Thursday, February 2nd, should we do this at 1:30?
Sure.
Sure.
Fine.
All right. So for today's purposes, we're going to set case 20 CF 2550 on my calendar on Thursday, February 2nd at 1:30. We'll set 21 CF 4596 and 21 CF 5020 on Judge Havas's calendar on that date, with the understanding the lawyers and the judges will be in communication. Mr. Brooks will be produced if Judge Havas is unable to accommodate an in-person hearing in her courtroom. We could have her come down here, or Mr. Brooks could be present physically in this courtroom and Zoom in from here.
Judge Havas's clerk just sent a text, said that date works for them.
Okay.
Just interested in knowing if it's in person or by Zoom.
Mr. Brooks will be produced. All right. So next court date, that's February 2nd, 1:30 p.m. in room, and 20 CF 2550 will be in room 113 of the safety building. The other two cases will be on Judge Havas's calendar, room 504 of the courthouse. Anything else we need to address this afternoon, Mr. Rakestraw or Hampton?
Nothing.
No, Your Honor.
Mr. Corr or Ms. Grasso?
No, Judge, thank you.
All right. Thank you very much. Good afternoon. I presume that's Mr. Dotson at Kettle Moraine. I'm on mute. You couldn't hear me. Good afternoon, Mr. Dotson.
Yeah, I will.
Let's just double check. I have someone on the 5th floor. Can you tell me who you are, sir? Let me just. Good afternoon, Mr. Adams. I don't show you on my calendar. Let me just double
I think
check.
he's got a prelim judge in, so I think he's supposed to be in prelim court.
That would be my guess, because I know that I'd done a bail review hearing, and that was. Yes. So if you could let the CO know, your case is not in front of me at 1:30. It's in preliminary hearing court, Mr. Adams. All right. Thank you, sir.
All right, but we'll be in touch, we'll talk, okay?
All right. And I assume this is Mr. Allen in the House of Corrections?
Yeah.
Good afternoon, Mr. Allen. We'll be with you in just one moment. There's a case I'm going to call in front of you. I don't think I've seen your attorney yet. But I think we have Mr. Bashir and Mr. Dotson and Mr. Hampton, so call that.
All right, have a good afternoon.
Thanks.
Yeah, you got nothing?
Yep. Yep.
So this is State of Wisconsin versus Lavardis Dotson